Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the carnivore diet versus the omnivore diet. These two diets are very different, and they both have their own set of potential benefits and risks. In this video, I will compare and contrast the two diets, and discuss which one might be right for you. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows you to eat meat, fish, and eggs. You can also drink water and unsweetened tea or coffee. This diet is based on the idea that humans are naturally carnivores and that eating a diet of only animal products is the best way to achieve optimal health. What is the omnivore diet? The omnivore diet is a more flexible diet that allows for a wider variety of foods, including meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. This diet is based on the idea that humans are naturally omnivores and that eating a variety of foods is the best way to achieve optimal health. What are the benefits of the carnivore diet? There are a number of potential benefits to the carnivore diet. Some people report that they experience improvements in their energy levels, mood, and gut health after following this diet. Others report losing weight and improving their overall health. What are the risks of the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, and it's important to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. Some people who follow this diet may experience nutrient deficiencies, such as vitamin B12 deficiency. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. What are the benefits of the omnivore diet? The omnivore diet is a more flexible diet and may be a good option for people who are looking for a long-term solution for weight loss or improved health. The omnivore diet can provide a wide variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber. What are the risks of the omnivore diet? The omnivore diet can be high in processed foods, which can be unhealthy. The omnivore diet can also be high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Which diet is right for you? The best diet for you is the one that you can stick to and that makes you feel your best. If you are considering trying either the carnivore diet or the omnivore diet, it is important to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian first. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between the carnivore diet and the omnivore diet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.